Okay, so let's see an example now, right? So what I have done here, so this particular code, I have actually I'm running it in my local system, and this is the Swagger thing. Okay, so they have given the APIs and all. So what we can do here from Postman, let's see one by one. First thing is getting the token basically. Okay, so I'm passing the username and password as a query parameter, but yeah, this is again a demo example, so otherwise we should never pass username password as a query parameter, so just for time being accept that. So this is a post request basically. Okay, and there is no specific headers, like general, these are auto generated Postman headers. And what I'm doing basically, whatever token it is passing, right, based on the username and password, I'm saving the token in a collection variable. Okay, let's see running it. If you see here, as I was telling you, right, token will be having 3 parts. This particular token is actually having 3 parts. Let's copy it and we'll see here. We'll paste it here. Okay, you can see the header, right? Yeah. So here algorithm is yeah, same like HS256, and just see the payload here. Okay, so payload has some information like what is the role, what is the expectation, and some numbers and all, right? Some information, what is the authority, like that is a role, admin basically, that is a admin user, right? So we are not giving any username password here, but giving some identity about that user. See, username and password was admin, right? So if you see in the payload here, it doesn't contain any username and password directly, but it is containing some identity about that user, like what is the role basically, right? So that user role is admin role. And there are some other parameters as per the implementation they have added here. Then there is a signature. Again, this is a demo code, so the signature is invalid, it is telling. That is fine. Okay. So in this way, you can actually check what is there. You can decode it basically, the token, what it is passing. Now, once I got my token, right? So what I'm doing here, and this is a text response. So I'm actually Postman's, I'm getting a text response first, and I'm saving that in a collection variable. Okay, so that my next request, I have a request here that is like, that will get the user details basically. So here I am using this particular token. Okay, so you can send it. I'll get the response here. Like username is admin, email is this is the role. Now, if I don't use any authorization, suppose in this, right? You are getting an error. That is forbidden. You are getting 403 response code. So I am using that particular token to get the user details, like any other. So this process is exactly same the way we have done before, but the difference is the way the token is generated basically here. So token has three parameters basically, as I told, header, the payload, and the signature. So before maybe the where we have Spotify, we have generated token, and then I think there was one more, right? Dropbox, yeah, Dropbox, we have generated token. We have seen different ways, how ought to different types of token generation. That will be like in one string, right? Basically, one string, one token. But here, the token is consist of three strings, basically, right?
Yes.
And yeah, three strings separated, and each string has a meaning.
Okay.
Otherwise, the flow is same. Yeah, this is what JWT all about.